Hello everyone, welcome again to Mohii's Arabic Solutions. Today we will have a lesson about an Arabic grammar, very useful grammar, which is the comparison. And it is the key to the adverbs in Arabic as well. So let's go and see how we're going to study the comparison in Arabic, and please follow along. So here, as you can see, this is the comparison in Arabic. We have two ways of comparison: to say more than, and to say most of. However, in Arabic, as we can see, we have two ways to say most of. We were going to see this now. So, to know how to say more than something, you need to know the adjective for the beginning. If you don't know more about the adjectives, please see the video about the adjectives. I will send you the link in the description down there. So, let's take an example. Very simple adjective, which is small or young in Arabic, which is صغير. And just for a note, this will be applied to the Gulf dialect and the Egyptian dialect. Let's go. So صغير أحمد صغير أحمد صغير. So this is me giving Ahmed the adjective of being small. As you can see, there is no is in Arabic, in the present, of course. So we don't say Ahmed يكون صغير. We say Ahmed صغير directly. So Ahmed small, if you want to translate literally. Okay, this will know more about it in the adjectives video. So Ahmed صغير. When I want to say that Ahmed is smaller than in Arabic is min, from. So Ahmed is smaller than Muhammad, for example. And here you say Daniel. So min. يبقى to say صغير, small, smaller will be أصغر من. أصغر من. So what did we do to the adjective of being small? Let's make it bigger a bit and let's see. So let's count the letters. واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة 4. We have here the one before, which is the ya. We took this away. As you can see, there is no ya between the ghay and ra, and we added another extra thing, which is the here. So صغير became أصغر من. And applying this on the other adjectives, so كبير أكبر من, طويل أطول من, قصير أقصر من. So let's go for the original one. So صغير أصغر من. Put it in a sentence. أحمد أصغر من Daniel, for example. Let's go see the most of. In Arabic, we say two ways to say most of. One, which is doing the more to everybody. For example, is Ahmed is more beautiful than everybody in the class. This is me comparing Ahmed to everybody. It's another way to say Ahmed is the most beautiful, for example. So Ahmed is the most in the class, or Ahmed is more in all of the class. Okay, so here we use this. أحمد أصغر واحد في الفصل. Ahmed, the smallest or the youngest, one in the class. So here you need to say we added an adjective to Ahmed. For example, if I'm adding a car, it will be أجمل سيارة. I have to say the beautiful one, the beautiful car. So this car is the most beautiful car. Okay, so you need to add واحد here, an adjective. For example, if I'm speaking about سيارة, نقول سيارة أحمد أصغر سيارة في الفصل. So I'm speaking about something that I want to compare. I put it here. Ahmed is a person, so Ahmed is واحد. And the other way, which is the least used, we don't use this a lot in the Arab world, which simply putting al before the form of the er. So أحمد أصغر، أحمد الأصغر، يبقى صغير أصغر الأصغر، كبير أكبر الأكبر. And as you can see here, there is no min, there is no than here. طويل أطول الأطول، قصير أقصر الأقصر. So let's put it in a sentence. أحمد الأصغر في الفصل، أحمد الأصغر في الفصل. So as you can see, we didn't put one here because he's the smallest. He is the youngest. Okay, we don't need to specify because Ahmad here is, I don't choose him out of a lot of things as we do here. Okay, so as you can see, we can all of this was put with Anna, Ahmad, or someone. We didn't use, like, for example, we are the most beautiful of the class, for example. And the thing here is this doesn't change. So أصغر, if I took away Ahmed and put it together, it will start أصغر. It doesn't change, which makes it even easier. So you don't need even to know the whole forms of the adjectives. And to know more about that, you have to go back to the adjectives video as well. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so now let's go for another thing. Another thing, which is, my friend, which is some of the adjectives doesn't follow the same tone or the same weight as we say. So صغير، كبير، طويل، قصير، جميل. No, some of them doesn't follow the same thing. For example, جعان، تعبان، نعسان، فرحان. As you can see, they follow another pattern, and those most of the time will be the emotions. There is a video about emotions. You can check it on the YouTube channel, of course, where you will learn more about the emotions. Okay, so how are we going to say more or less in this case? Of course, we cannot apply the same أصغر or أكبر or أكبر here. It is a way totally different thing. So what we should do here? What we should do here, my friends, is to follow another rule. Okay, what is this rule? Simply, we do another add-on. We put another thing here, which is simply more or less. More or less. So more than is أكتر من. I changed that. So less than أقل من. So you simply put the adjective. For example, جعان, hungry. جعان. أحمد جعان. Ahmad is hungry. So Ahmad جعان, and then we put more than. Here you say more than after the adjective. So Ahmad, in English we say Ahmad more hungry than Daniel. Here no, we say Ahmad is hungry more than Daniel. So Ahmad جعان أكتر من دانيال. Another thing, less. أحمد جعان أقل من دانيال. So أقل من is less than. So what about the most? Like Ahmad is most hungry person in the class. So again, here we use this fun. So أحمد جعان أكتر من, instead of saying Daniel, we say the class. أكتر من الفصل. كل الفصل, for example, all of the class. In the less, we say أحمد جعان أقل من كل الفصل. Less than all of the class. So this is it, my friends. So if you have any questions, just leave a comment down there. Send me on the Facebook, send me on any other websites that I teach on. Feel free to contact me there. Ask a trial lesson to just explain this. Feel free to do that. And please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And I will be hoping to listen from you soon. Please practice that. Put your own vocabularies. Think about your own sentences. Go ahead to Google and try to find new adjectives and try to make it a more or less than, and practice it by yourself, and I will be there for you for any questions. And please don't forget also to go to mohiis.com which is my website. You can find all the materials, this video and other videos, and they will be classified and sorted out based on the need. And I will be waiting for you. Thank you, and hope to see you soon. شكرا ومع السلامة.